of you. Boy, you remind me of my Gucci shoe.
Hey divas, guess what? I have a huge announcement, okay? I've been telling y'all about this huge announcement for a couple of weeks now, but I have a huge giveaway to announce. In this package here are 2 Malaysian lace front wigs. I'm really excited about these. They are body wave and they're from Great Quality Human Hair by Camille. One of these wigs is for moi. The other is for one of you lucky ladies that are my loyal fans that watch me on Facebook, on Instagram, or here on YouTube, even read my blog. You have the opportunity to enter for free to win one of these beautiful wigs. The detailed information will be available on my Facebook page by April 1st. So go on over to my Facebook page after you watch this video and make sure you set your notifications and like the page so when I do post that information, should be next week sometime, then you will be the first to know. But I want to show y'all the unboxing of these wigs. And I want to cut them by accident. So let me make sure I'm cutting the package and not inside the package. Okay. All right, they were bagged up really nice. So nothing could get in them. Oh my God. These are 18-inch wigs, ladies. 18 inches. Oh, and they gave me a pair of mink lashes. Oh, and they're my favorite. Those nice and full and thick. Oh my God, look at this wig. Look at this wig. This wig is giving me life. This is a 9A quality wig, which means that the ends are fuller. As you can see, the ends are a lot fuller. The reefs on the actual hair are a lot fuller. The cuticle of the hair is still on this hair. Also, Camille uses a very good factory that does special things with their hair to make sure that it's completely human. They make sure that it goes through all the machines to get all the synthetic hairs out. Oh my God, when I tell y'all this hair is so soft and pretty. Can you see the shine on this? It's really pretty. Also, it has baby hairs already made, and they've already been tweezed. So there's no work that needs to be done to this wig. It is a full cap. Let's see. It has the adjustable straps on the back, and it has, let's see, 2 combs. 2 combs in the front. Oh, it also has the lace in the back, so I will be able to pull it up. It's not a full 360, but it has the lace in the front with 3 combs, and in the back it also has the lace so it can be glued down. So that is awesome. It's free part, which I can see here. So that means I will be able to part it anywhere. Also, a reminder, this is the same exact wig that we have here, the twin. Okay, one for me, one for one of you lucky ladies. So this is the exact same wig that you will be getting. Only difference will be the color, y'all. This is the Prince Purple Rain Memorial wig. So what we're going to be doing is this wig is going to be dyed pretty and bright purple. I plan on maybe doing it to the roots. I'm not sure yet. But if not, it will be a bright, pretty ombre. And you will be able to enter to win this wig. We'll be giving it away. The drawing date will be April 21st, which is the 2-year memorial for the death of Prince Nelson. We all miss Prince so much, and as y'all can see, purple is my favorite color. So in remembrance of Prince. This wig will be custom dyed by myself to be purple. It's same as with the twin, and you will be able to enter to win these beautiful Malaysian body wave lace fronts from great quality human hair by Camille. Also on that date, we'll have a huge sale going on for the exact same wigs as if you are not the winner of the twin that we have here. If you're not that winner, then we'll have a huge sale going on. Also, you'll be able to get them custom colored or anything, whichever color you like, purple, blue, pink, whatever color you like, brown, red. It doesn't have to be purple, but the free giveaway wig will be dyed purple. If that's not your color, it's still something you may want to enter for your daughter, for your sister, for your best friend, for your cousin, for your aunt. You never know. So go ahead and make sure you head over now after you subscribe here to my YouTube channel. Subscribe below, then head on over to my link, which is in the description below, to my Facebook like page, and like the page, and also follow the page, set your notifications so you will be notified when this giveaway goes live, all the directions and the steps and the rules and all of that good stuff to enter. Again, this is a free giveaway for this Malaysian 18-inch body wave 9A, ladies. 9A, one of the top qualities. I think the highest quality is like 10A, but 9A is the best quality. These wigs run about $400, you know, with the custom coloring and everything like that. So you're gonna want to enter this giveaway, ladies. Look at that. This is gonna be so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the coloring. Stay tuned, subscribe so you do not miss a step, okay? Because we're gonna go through the whole process of the coloring, the trimming of the lace, the gluing, the whole process, ladies, the whole shebang. So remember to stay tuned and just click that bell, subscribe, and click the bell, subscribe, click the bell, subscribe, click the bell, in that order. All right, y'all, this is Diamond. Peace.